Hey, why didn't you come yesterday? Where were you?
Ma'am, I did, ma'am. No, ma'am, I did. I did went to Mumbai.
You did went to Mumbai or you went to Mumbai?
Now, ma'am, you are not understanding, ma'am.
Yes, I am understanding that your tenses are not clear. Let me tell you a story and clear your concept of tenses.
Once upon a time, there lived a great queen called Queen Dance, who rules over the entire universe. I am a Queen Dance. I am also known as Time. I rule over the entire universe. She had three lovely daughters. The elder one Miss Past, the middle one Miss Present, and the youngest of all Miss Future.
Hey, I am Miss Past. I rule over entire past. Let me introduce my daughters. My first daughter is Simple Past.
Hey, I am Simple Past. I help people when they talk about an action which took place at a particular time in the past. For example, Jigyasha wrote a letter yesterday.
Let me introduce my second daughter, Past Continuous.
I am past continuous. Like my sister, I also help people but in a different way. I help people when they talk about the action which was going on at a particular time in the past. For example, Jigyasa was writing a letter.
Let me introduce my third daughter, Past Perfect.
Hey friends, I'm past perfect tense. People often get confused about my usage, so listen carefully. I help you people to talk about an action which took place before and another action. For instance, Jigyasa had already written a letter before.
I know you are very curious to meet my fourth daughter, Past Perfect Continuous.
I am past perfect continuous tense. I am not as useful and as popular as my sisters, but I do have my own identity. I help people when they talk about an action which was going on for a longer period of time, somewhere in the past. For example, Jigyasha has been writing a letter for an hour.
I am Miss Present. I rule over entire present. Just you all meet my sister Past and her cute lovely daughters. It gives me great pleasure to now introduce my daughters. And do you know, they have their specified roles to play. My first daughter is Simple Present.
Everybody knows me very well. I am simple present tense. I help people when they talk about their routines, their likes, dislikes, hobbies, facts and universal truth. Hey, do not get confused between me and my sister present continuous.
Oh yes, I am present continuous tense. I help you in many ways, especially when you are taking an action which is going on in front of your eyes. I will give an example. You all are talking. You are smiling. And we are dancing and singing. Hi, I am present perfect tense. I join past with present. I help you all when you talk about an action which took place in the past, but the effect of the action is still there in present. When you are talking, I will make it more clear with an example. Jigyasha has just written a letter.
Hello everybody. I am present perfect continuous tense. Most of you think my sister present continuous and I have got the same work to do. We can be used one for the other. But no, I have my own identity and form. I help people when they talk about an action which started in the past and continue in the future when we are speaking. Let's take a live example. You have been watching this play for 5 minutes. Another example, Jigyasha has been writing a letter since the play started.
Hi, I'm Miss Future. I'm the youngest of all. I rule over the entire future. Now, let me introduce my family. I too have 4 pretty daughters. My first daughter is Simple Future.
Yes, mother. Hello, I am Simple Future. I help you all when you talk about an action which yet to take place. For example, Jigyasha will write a letter.
My second daughter is Future Continuous.
I am Future Continuous. I help you all when you talk about an action which will be going on in the future. For example, Jigyasha will be writing a letter. Another example, I will be teaching in a school after 2 years.
My third daughter is Future Perfect.
I am future perfect tense. I help to express the idea that something will occur before an action in the future. For example, Jigyasha will have written a letter.
My fourth daughter is Future Perfect Continuous.
Yes, as my mother told you, I am Future Perfect Continuous Tense. You hardly know me, but I have my own existence. I assist you all to show that sometime will continue a particular event or time. In future, for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday are all the durations which are used with me.
Now you know tenses or you not know.
Now I know the concept of tenses clearly.
Now, did you realize how easy and interesting these tenses are? If you learn anything in a different way, you will not only enjoy, but you will also understand even difficult topics like tenses.
Thank you.